Hey there. Welcome to our video tutorial on attributes in HTML. In this video, we'll be discussing the different types of attributes that you can use in HTML and how they can be applied to your code. HTML attributes are special words that you can add to your HTML tags to specify additional information about the element. These attributes can be used to define properties such as the size, color, alignment, and behavior of your HTML elements. Let's take a look at some common HTML attributes. 1. ID attribute. The ID attribute is used to uniquely identify an element within an HTML document. This is particularly useful when you want to link to a specific section of a page. 2. Class attribute. The class attribute is used to specify a class name for an HTML element. This is useful when you want to apply the same styles to multiple elements on a page. 3. href attribute. The href attribute is used to specify the URL of the page that the link goes to. This is commonly used in anchor tags to create clickable links. 4. src attribute. The src attribute is used to specify the URL of the image, video, or audio file that the element should display. This is commonly used in image tags, video tags, and audio tags. 5. Alt attribute. The alt attribute is used to specify alternative text for an image if the image cannot be displayed. This is important for accessibility reasons as it ensures that users with visual impairments can still understand the content of the page. In conclusion, HTML attributes are an important part of creating well-structured and accessible web pages. By using attributes correctly, you can provide more information about your content and make it easier for users to understand and navigate your site. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other video tutorials on HTML and web development.